Hey there, Sandra Edmond, the queen of tax deeds. I've been investing in tax deeds since 2004, and I'm really excited about a really cool class I'll be teaching here at CFRI. It's on buying properties at the tax deed and tax lien sale. So this class is actually on a Saturday. Usually I teach them during the week, and you guys are like, come on, we need to be able to attend, we have to work. So this is a class that's going to be very easy for you to get to, because I think it's been 3 to 5 years since I've taught it on a Saturday. So here's some things we're going to be discussing. One is where to buy the tax deeds and when to get the best deals. We'll discuss some of the places that you can buy them. Also, I'll be discussing some of the deals, like how we're able to buy a property for just $500 and you actually got the house, not land, just the house as well with it. Also, I'm going to be going over why you do need cash to buy these properties and why you don't, so you can do it either way. So this class will be on January 19th, CFRI.net to sign up. Real estate investors, you'll get PHP credits. Real estate agents, you'll get CE credits. I look forward to seeing you there. And what are you waiting for? Sign up!